Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Ford Kuga, stock number 7036. It's ran from 11/2014 to the 9/2016. It's a TF 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TF 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door 1 crease, left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory mega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear 19-inch factory mega tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,